Hello, it's Saturday, December 11th, and we are picking back up on this bottom skin and side skins on the airplane. We will be, we're going to measure everything out here and verify our rivet sizes that we need to use. So once we get that done, get that marked and ready to go, then we will be ready to start riveting skins on. So yeah. Here we go. It's been a while since I did a weather report. We got some snow that's stuck on the ground here. It's been a little wintry here for the last week, 2 weeks, couple weeks. Been kind of wintry here, but they're starting to build up the snow dump here at the airport. So that'll get bigger and bigger as the winter goes on, hopefully, as long as we're getting snow. But yep, there's the weather. We're just plugging away at it here. We are marking all of our rivet holes for the proper rivets. We've got those marked on the sides, across the top. We're working our way backwards to forwards, so we're getting those marked up on that skin there, and we'll get them marked up on the side skins. We just want to make sure we get all the right rivets in the right spots. So we're still working on that, and yep, you've seen this before, so it's just a repeat of what we did on the wings. Hey, check it out. It's the right side up for once. We are done for the day, and you saw we got that bottom skin and side skins riveted up. Had a good, excellent timing on a friend showed up to come check on the airplane just right at the time we needed to turn it over. So he helped us with that. and we've got it, like I said, right side up. So the next thing is we're going to start on landing gear. We'll be attaching landing gear there and wheels and whatnot. So that's kind of the next step in this whole process. And I don't know, not much to say about it, I guess, at this point, other than it's kind of feels good to get it turned back over, right orientation, and looking like an airplane. So, hey, thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and that's it for now.